Are you passionate about graphic design and illustration? Well, hold on tight, because in today's video, we're going to unravel the secrets to turning your creative skills into a lucrative income stream. We'll be delving deep into the world of graphic design and illustration, exploring how you can not only create stunning visuals but also monetize them effectively. From choosing the right projects to marketing your work, we've got it all covered. Stick around until the end because I'll be revealing some exclusive tips and strategies that can make all the difference in your journey to making money with your artistic talents. Part 1. Finding your niche. Discovering your niche within graphic design or illustration is akin to finding your creative compass. We'll help you identify the specific areas where your skills shine the brightest. After all, specializing in a niche can be your ticket to standing out in a crowded market. Passion-driven direction. It's crucial to align your niche with what truly ignites your passion. What subjects or themes do you find yourself naturally gravitating towards? This isn't just about current trends, it's about what genuinely excites you as an artist. Personal experience integration. Consider how your personal experiences, hobbies, or professional background can inform your niche. For instance, if you have a background in technology, your niche might naturally lean towards tech-related designs. This integration of personal experience can lend authenticity to your work. Exploring sub-niches. Within the broader realm of graphic design and illustration, there are numerous sub-niches. For example, within illustration, you could focus on editorial, children's book, or digital illustration. Exploring these sub-niches can help you find where your skills and interests intersect most effectively. Long-term vision. Think about the long-term vision for your niche. How do you see your work evolving over time? Are there opportunities for growth, expansion, or collaboration within your chosen niche? Having a clear vision can guide your decisions and investments in your craft. The key is to start with a foundation that genuinely reflects your passions and strengths. By the end of this section, you'll have a solid understanding of where your creative journey is headed and how to make your mark in your chosen niche. Let's continue this exciting exploration. Part 2. Setting up your online presence. Your digital storefront matters. We guide you through the process of setting up your online portfolio. This includes selecting the perfect domain name, exploring hosting options, and setting up a content management system like WordPress. Let's delve deeper. Choosing your domain. Your domain is essentially your online address. It's the web address that people will type in to find your website. We'll explore how to choose a domain name that is memorable, easy to spell, and reflective of your brand or niche. Domain extensions. We'll discuss different domain extensions like .com, .net, design, etc. Each has its own implications and can impact how your website is perceived. Choosing the right extension is crucial for creating a professional online presence. Selecting a hosting provider. Hosting is like the plot of land where you'll build your website. We'll go over the best hosting options based on factors like budget, speed, and customer support. This is a critical decision as it impacts the performance and security of your website. Content management systems, CMS. We'll guide you through the process of choosing a CMS like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. This is the platform that will allow you to build, customize, and manage your website. We'll explain the pros and cons of each to help you make an informed decision. Customization and themes. Once you have your CMS, we'll show you how to select and customize a theme. This includes choosing colors, fonts, layouts, and adding your own branding elements. This step is crucial for creating a unique and visually appealing website. Optimizing for mobile and speed. With a growing number of users accessing websites on mobile devices, we'll discuss how to ensure your website is responsive and loads quickly. This is not only user-friendly but also positively impacts SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO. We'll introduce the basics of on-page SEO, including optimizing meta tags, headers, and content for search engines. This is crucial for improving your website's visibility in search results. This strong online presence will be the foundation for showcasing your graphic design and illustration skills effectively. Let's continue building. Part 3. Creating engaging content. We'll delve into various writing styles and formatting techniques to keep your audience engaged. Crafting compelling descriptions and stories around your work can turn casual viewers into dedicated fans. Understanding your audience. Before you start creating content, it's crucial to know who your target audience is. What are their interests, pain points, and preferences? This understanding will guide the topics and style of your content. Content calendar and planning. we'll discuss the importance of having a content calendar. This helps in maintaining consistency and ensures you cover a variety of relevant topics. It also allows for timely content related to holidays, trends, or events. Content formats. Content isn't limited to just articles. We'll explore various formats like blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, and social media posts. Each format has its strengths, and using a mix can appeal to different audience segments. Visual elements. Incorporating images, graphics, and videos can significantly enhance the appeal of your content. We'll discuss tools and resources for creating or sourcing visuals that complement your message. Formatting and structure. Proper formatting, with subheadings, bullet points, and short paragraphs, makes content easy to read and digest. We'll provide tips for structuring your content effectively. Testing and analytics. It's important to monitor the performance of your content. We'll introduce tools and metrics to track engagement, click-through rates, and other key performance indicators. This data can guide you in refining your content strategy. Content repurposing. One piece of content can be repurposed into various formats, e.g., turning a blog post into a video or infographic. We'll discuss how to maximize the reach and impact of your content through repurposing. Remember, creating engaging content is not just about informing or entertaining, it's about building a connection with your audience. By implementing these strategies, you'll be able to produce content that resonates and leaves a lasting impression. Let's continue crafting compelling content. Part 4. Monetization Methods. This is where the magic happens. We unveil tried and tested methods to monetize your graphic design and illustration skills. From freelance opportunities to selling digital art, you'll discover how to turn your creativity into a steady income stream. Let's delve deeper into monetization methods. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services of other companies through unique affiliate links. When your audience makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. We'll discuss how to choose relevant affiliate programs and integrate them seamlessly into your content. Sponsored content. Brands may pay you to create content around their products or services. We'll explore how to maintain authenticity while collaborating with sponsors and negotiate fair compensation. Freelance services. Leverage your expertise by offering freelance graphic design or illustration services. We'll cover strategies for finding clients, setting rates, and managing projects effectively. Sell digital products. Create and sell digital assets like vector graphics, illustrations, templates, or ebooks. We'll guide you on platforms, pricing, and marketing strategies for your digital products. Online courses and workshops. Share your knowledge and skills with aspiring designers and illustrators through online courses or workshops. We'll discuss content creation, platform selection, and marketing techniques. Subscription models. Consider offering premium content or resources through a subscription model. We'll discuss the types of content to include, pricing strategies, and maintaining subscriber engagement. Crowdfunding and donations. Platforms like Patreon or Kickstarter allow you to receive funding directly from your audience. We'll guide you on how to set up and promote crowdfunding campaigns. License your designs. If you create unique and marketable designs, you can license them to companies for various purposes. We'll explore how to protect your intellectual property and negotiate licensing agreements. Affiliate design programs. Promote design-related software or tools and earn a commission for each sale. We'll discuss how to choose reputable programs and effectively promote them. Remember, a diversified approach to monetization is often the most effective. By combining multiple methods, you can create a stable income stream from your blog. It's essential to strike a balance between monetization and providing genuine value to your audience. Let's continue exploring these strategies to optimize your revenue potential. Part 5. Building a community. Your loyal audience is your greatest asset. We'll share strategies on fostering a community around your work. Engaging with your audience, gathering feedback, and creating a supportive space can fuel your growth as a creator. Engagement on social media. Actively participate in social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Share your work, engage with your audience, and participate in relevant conversations. This helps in expanding your reach and attracting like-minded individuals. Create a forum or community space. Consider setting up a dedicated forum or community space on your website. This allows your audience to interact, share ideas, and seek advice. Moderation is key to ensure a positive and constructive environment. Host webinars and live Q&A sessions. Live sessions are an excellent way to directly engage with your audience. You can demonstrate techniques, answer questions, and provide valuable insights. This fosters a sense of connection and trust. Collaborate with other artists and designers. Partnering with fellow artists for projects or events can be mutually beneficial. It introduces your audience to new perspectives and expands your network. Feedback and critique sessions. Create a platform for constructive feedback and critiques. This can be in the form of live sessions, forum threads, or designated feedback forms. Encourage a positive and supportive atmosphere. Email newsletter and updates. Regularly update your subscribers about new content, events, or collaborations. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses or exclusive content to make them feel valued and connected. Maintain consistent communication. Respond promptly to comments, messages, and emails. This demonstrates your availability and willingness to connect with your audience. Remember, building a community takes time and effort. It's crucial to foster a positive and inclusive environment where everyone feels heard and valued. Part 6. SEO and Content Promotion. To succeed, you need to be found. We'll uncover the secrets of optimizing your content for search engines and leveraging social media to reach a wider audience. Learn how to make your work discoverable and shareable. Keyword research and optimization. Conduct thorough keyword research to identify high-ranking, relevant keywords in the graphic design and illustration niche. Integrate these keywords naturally into your content, including titles, headings, meta descriptions, and throughout the body of your articles. Utilize long-tail keywords, phrases containing 3 or more words, for more specific and targeted traffic. Quality content creation. Focus on producing high-quality, informative, and engaging content. Google's algorithms prioritize content that adds genuine value to readers. Incorporate multimedia elements like images, infographics, and videos to enhance the user experience and illustrate your points effectively. Meta tags and descriptions. Craft compelling meta titles and descriptions that accurately represent the content of your pages. These should include relevant keywords and entice users to click through. Social media integration. Promote your blog content across your social media platforms. This not only increases exposure but can also drive traffic back to your website. Encourage social sharing by incorporating share buttons on your blog posts. Email marketing and newsletters. Build a subscriber list and send regular newsletters featuring your latest content. This helps keep your audience engaged and returning to your blog. Utilize SEO tools. Leverage SEO tools like Google Analytics, Moz, or Ahrefs to monitor your site's performance, track keyword rankings, and identify areas for improvement. Monitor and adapt. Keep an eye on your blog's performance through analytics. Identify which content performs best and what keywords are driving traffic. Use this data to refine your content strategy, focusing on topics that resonate with your audience. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process. Consistent effort and adaptability to changing algorithms and trends are key to maintaining and improving your blog's visibility in search results. As we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth insights on turning your creative passion into a profitable venture. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and turn on post notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.